So today we're going to test and review this 3-piece of Fireside pop-up pit. Stay tuned. So I got this pop-up pit. A Field and Stream was going out of business. They had a lot of stuff clearance out. So I was able to snag the actual pop-up pit itself. So it didn't go away, but there's actually other things that you can add with it. So I bought the quad grate grills that go on top. You can use it as just a fire pit, or you could actually add this on there to cook on. And the third thing that I got was, this is for Dutch ovens or something heavy like cast iron. And I haven't put together any of this. I haven't used any of this. I bought this on my own. So what we're going to do is actually unbox everything, see what we got, see how it works, and give a review on it. So your main bag is your pop-up pit. Great carry bag. Now, all three of these are definitely nothing you want to use backpacking. This is definitely car camping only. Because it's heavy, but I mean, it's not that heavy. But all three of them combined, it is. So you get the pop-up pit customer manual. This is actually the heat shield that goes on the bottom. And here we have the pop-up pit itself. And this, I believe, is the grate that goes in between where you would lay your logs. So you can use charcoal, you can use logs, whatever it is that you have to make a fire. Okay, so now that we got everything out of the box, we are going to try to assemble this without the directions. So I'm assuming from looking at the picture, this all goes out, maybe. A little bit bigger than I thought. Oh, let me put the sides on. I'll tell you which is which, but assuming the sides here go on first. I'm nursing a bad thumb here. We have the fire mesh. So the key is to not put one side on and the other side on. Put that on and then move them down. So, there you go. So this is the heat shield right here. You would put this down on here. Of course, we didn't do that first, but it will go down on the bottom. That way, if you are in some area where there's no, there's a fire ban or something, this would actually protect the ground. So we'll go underneath there. These are the grill grates that go on top. Now I got the quad ones, and I'll show you why. Let me tell you, these bad boys are heavy too. This is what comes in the bag. I will have to look at the directions on this one though. I'm not sure about winging it. So I already did one side. These are the risers. You unscrew them a little bit. Stick your riser portion this way. Line it up and tighten. Don't over tighten. So that part's done. Alright, the grill grate. This is a very heavy duty grill grate. Am I going the wrong way? Yep. Going the wrong way. This is what happens when you don't look at the directions, okay? Don't be like me. There you go. If you're cooking and you want to switch up whether it's hot or not, you can just fold that. You can also use that if you want to add some more coals, some more wood. You can go all the way up to there and then have this open and then have cook on that. So this is called the quad fold. So you have a ton of cooking room here. I would say you cook like 20 hamburgers, steaks, corn on the cob, potatoes, everything on here. And it is solid, very solid. So now let's go to the Dutch oven attachment on it. Okay, so if you want to cook with your Dutch oven, this is all you have to do. You're going to first have to take off these pieces, which was for your quad fold grates. Just take them off, put them to the side, and you're going to take these grill grates. So you're going to take these two, you're going to stick them down right over your same holes that you had your grill grates on. Down there. And you're just going to line these this way. Because the thing about Dutch oven, you're going to be close to the mesh. You'll take these 4 pieces and stick them in there. Go right across. And there you go. Stick your Dutch oven right there. Cast iron, whatever you want. That is the Frontier grate section. So you just pop them out. Put your other ones back on. So that's about 5 minutes after taking the coals off. You see, nice and cool. Actually, closing it is very simple. Pull it right in one arm, they all slide together. So I had to finish this video at home because I was caught up in this rainstorm when I went out camping using this. So there is going to be noise in the background. There's a major road back there, and I am in my backyard. So my likes and my dislikes on the Fireside pop-up pit. I don't have any dislikes. Keep in mind, it is car camping, RV camping, at a campground, but you can't backpack with it. If you want to use this portion of it for a fire pit, and you can have the grill grates to cook on. So if anybody ever's been to a campground and even out in the forest where they have fire pits, if you see some of them, they're pretty gross. I have fished out tons of stuff in there before I even put anything on there to cook. So this, is clean. You are the only one that used it. And of course, you don't have to throw any trash in it. So the grill grates are awesome. As you can see, I use charcoal. Next time I go out, I will use some wood. It's very sturdy. When I put the grill grates on there and a cast iron, and it didn't even budge. I like the height of it, where it's not too far up where you're standing, and it's not too far down if you have a shorter chair. So I think the height is perfect on it. The portion for a Dutch oven, I haven't used yet, but I'm really excited to use it because I love to cook in a Dutch oven. Overall, I think it's a really great item. Like I said before, if you were in a fire ban area, you would want to use the screen that goes underneath it to catch any kind of coals, which is a good thing. You don't want to set the forest on fire. So I don't have anything bad to say about it. It worked out fine for me. That was the first time. That was the first time using it. So it is on Amazon. It is a really good deal. The cooking grates come into two different types. It's a quad fold and a tri-fold. So if you go into Amazon, I'll put the links in there. You'll see the difference of all of them. So I hope the video was informative about this Fireside kit. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, and I'll see you on my next video.